Hello, my name is Thomas Zangerle. I'm the product manager at Wolfvision for visualizers, and I have the pleasure to demonstrate you here the new VZ-8.UHD at ISE. The visualizer is a native 4K visualizer with 60 frames per second. As you can see, it's really simple and straightforward to use that unit. You just unfold the camera arm and seconds later you can go ahead with your presentation. It has an amazing image quality, a very unique user interface. You find everything at the camera head, no distractions by hand touching to a user interface down here. The visualizer has a large optical zoom range from A3 all the way down to smallest details. With the continuous autofocus, it's very easy to demonstrate something, but as you can see here on a complex object like that, with your fingertips, you can easily address the object or the area of interest. And fractions of seconds later, you get a very smooth and crisp image. The visualizer seamlessly can be connected to our Synapse system. The visualizer is also network rAVe ready. That means that it's equipped with H.264 and H.265 streaming, and there is more to come during summer 2020. The Wolfvision website www.wolfvision.com offers more information about this fantastic new product, which will be available from May 2020.